How much should you actually spend on a high-flow catalytic converter? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. MySAF Universal Catalytic Converter. First up is the 2.5-inch inlet/outlet Universal Catalytic Converter from MySAF. Priced at just $34.99, this caught my eye for being budget-friendly, yet EPA compliant. If you're looking for a decent replacement without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It fits standard 2.5-inch inner diameter exhaust pipes and has a length of 11 inches, which makes it universal for many vehicles. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, providing more oxygen to the engine, which is what you need for better performance. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 622 reviews, it's clear others are finding value too. Now, some people complained about the installation being tricky and might require cutting or welding. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with DIY projects or know a professional, it shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and want something reliable. Skip this one if you need an easy, one-size-fits-all installation without any hassle. Overall, it's a solid value for the price. Now, if the installation hassle bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. MagnaFlow 94009 Catalytic Converter. Next up is the MagnaFlow Catalytic Converter 94009, priced at $116.08. This one stands out with its high rating of 4.6 stars from 137 reviews. If you want something that guarantees performance and compliance, this is worth considering. This catalytic converter is EPA pre-OBDII compliant, ensuring it meets federal emissions requirements. It features a universal fit, which allows for flexibility in installation. The stainless steel construction is a big plus, providing longevity and reliability, which is exactly what you need to keep your car running smoothly. The integrated O2 ports are designed for optimal performance, and with a 5-year per 50,000-mile warranty, you're covered for quite a while. Some users reported that it might not fit every vehicle perfectly without adjustments. But honestly, if you're willing to invest a bit more time in getting it right, you'll likely find it pays off. This is perfect for you if you own an older vehicle that needs a reliable upgrade. Skip this if you want a plug-and-play option. Considering its quality, it's worth the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize longevity. Product number 3. MagnaFlow 51356 OEM Grade Converter. Now let's check out the MagnaFlow Catalytic Converter 51356, priced at $173.58. This one caught my attention due to its OEM grade quality. If you want something designed for maximum efficiency and durability, this is a great choice. This converter features a high-strength 16-gauge stainless steel tubing, ensuring exceptional corrosion resistance. It's specifically built for optimal emissions control, which is crucial for maintaining vehicle performance. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, allowing for installation in tighter spaces, although welding is required, which might be a concern for some. I found that some users mention the installation could be a bit challenging. But I'll be real with you. If you have the right tools and skills, the effort is worth it for the quality you get. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, long-lasting option for more complex installations. Skip this if you want something easy to set up right out of the box. In terms of value, it lives up to the price tag. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more versatile, the next product might just fit the bill. Product number 4. MagnaFlow 94006 Pre-OBDII Converter. Coming up next is the MagnaFlow 94006 Pre-OBDII Universal Catalytic Converter, priced at $115.99. It's another strong contender, especially if you're driving a pre-1996 vehicle. If compliance and quality are your main goals, this is worth a serious look. Just like its siblings, it's EPA pre-OBDII compliant, making it a great choice for emissions control. The stainless steel construction is durable, and the universal installation means you can position it as needed. The clamshell design with a continuous seam weld enhances its thermal insulation, which is something you want for optimal performance. One downside I found was that some users reported it being a bit heavier than expected, which might complicate installation. Here's the thing. If you're equipped for a heavier component, it shouldn't be a problem at all. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable option for older cars. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight and easy. For the quality, it's a fair deal. Now, if you're looking for an option with excellent flow characteristics, the last product on this list is definitely worth considering. Product number 5, Flowmaster 223-0125 Catalytic Converter. Finally, we have the Flowmaster 223-0125 Catalytic Converter for $109.48. This one grabbed my attention for its excellent flow characteristics. If you want to maintain performance while keeping emissions in check, this is a solid pick. This converter is engineered to keep the MIL light off, which is a common pain point for many drivers. It meets federal EPA emissions requirements and is made from stainless steel, ensuring durability. However, it requires welding and/or fabrication, which could be a downside for some users. Some feedback indicated that the installation was a bit complicated for DIYers. But honestly, if you're up for a challenge or have a pro to help, it's a trade-off worth making for the performance gains. This is perfect for you if you're focused on maintaining great performance. Skip this if you want a straightforward, easy install without any modifications. Given its features, it offers good value for the price. So there you have it. We covered the MISAF Universal Catalytic Converter, the MagnaFlow 94009, the MagnaFlow 51356, the MagnaFlow 94006, and the Flowmaster 223-0125. Each one has its strengths, whether it's budget, quality, or performance. Make sure to weigh your needs carefully before making a choice.